Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not opening Windows 11. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you can do is you have to quit Discord account from it. I mean Discord software, just close window. Okay, after that you can go to the task manager. From here just right click on your Windows button, then go to the task manager. Then you can search for Discord if it is running on the background. I'm gonna show you, it's loading a bit. Okay, here it is. You can see a search bar here. Just search for Discord here. You can see that there is no Discord from my side, but if there is a problem, there should be Discord here. You have to do one thing. You have to just, let's say this is Discord, you have to right click on it and you have to end the task. Okay, after doing all the things, if you think that Discord application is running, then that's okay. If it doesn't running, that means you are just directly opening the Discord. So you have to just tap on it and you have to run this Discord application as administrator. Okay, don't just open it, you have to run it as administrator. If you just tap on the right click on that, there will be an option for run as administrator. You have to just tap on it. Still, if you find any problem, you can just tap on the search button and you can search for Windows Update and make sure your Windows Update is done. That means you are up to date. If it is not, you have to install the update which is available right now on your Windows. Right now you can see that I'm up to date. Still some of the version is available, I can download, so you can easily download and install it. So still, if all these steps or methods doesn't work, you can uninstall the Discord and you have to reinstall it. And if you don't know about the install, you can see the video. Okay, for your favor, I'm gonna show you the problem or the system just here. Like tap on uninstall, just type uninstall. Okay, so go to the settings option here, or you can just go to the control panel, then open it, and there will be an option for installing any program. From here you can see program and feature, tap on it, and from here you can easily find the Discord from here, and you can tap on the install, and that's it. You can reinstall it from the web browser. And if this tutorial helps you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.